Well. Here we are, finally back after about a month off. If you saw our last video, we put our house on the market, sold it pretty quick, had to find a new home and move, so we had to cancel a trip. But we are back. We are at WillowTree. Let me show you this sunrise. This is our view every morning, right here. Walk out our front door and we get to look at this beautiful lake. See the people walking, a nice path goes around it, and that beautiful sunrise. Gonna head out on a nice morning stroll here. Take a walk around the lake, waiting for my brother and sister-in-law before the day gets started. Nice and quiet and peaceful. Although they already got the music going at the pool. It's about 7 in the morning.
Do you want to go with us?
There's all the campsites behind us there. 107 of them, that's it.
Yeah, we're on the...
You can see the space you have between each campsite. I mean, from this guy to this guy, there's only 4 sites. So you've got your privacy here. So Dawn's sister and her husband got us this decal. And I put it on a piece of wood while we were at home. And we are going to stick it right up here, I think. Is that where you want it, Dawn? Right there. Let's see how it turns out. There it is. Looks pretty good. What are those called again?
Water wobbles.
Water wobbles. Day one's coming to an end. We were in the pool all day in the lake and took a little nap, went out to dinner, and now we're just relaxing during the sundown here in the jacuzzi. And then we'll head back into the pool with everyone here shortly. Well, once again, another beautiful sunrise. And we have some visitors slowly heading this way. Can anyone tell me what they're getting off the ground? Is it just grass or is it little bugs? So they were running a special this week, $10 for the week. And you can take out any boat, any paddleboard, whatever, anytime you want for your stay. For $10, can't beat that. So the girls are gonna do paddleboarding. Madison's done it before. I don't know about her friend, but we'll see. We'll see how good they do. I'm sure they'll be fine. There they go. They're off. Maddie did it last year. Hayden said she's done it once, but it was a couple years ago. So she's going to start on her knees. Man, they're already way out there. Hayden's braving the standing up part. They're doing just fine. But we are going to head back over to the pool. It's dinner time now, and it looks like American Gothic beer can chicken for dinner, courtesy of my brother-in-law. It's early in the morning, day before the 4th. Right now it's quiet on the lake. And it's quiet in the swimming pool. But my guess would be that this campground's going to be packed by this afternoon. I think we're heading to Broadway at the beach today, just to kind of get the kids out of the sun and get us out of the sun too, really. Where are we at, Maddie? Boardwalk Billy's. Sitting out in the back here waiting for our table. It's their nice little waiting area. Right on the water. Got your bar up there. Eddie and Dawn are getting us something to drink. It's our first time at Boardwalk Billy's. Somehow she's been here 3 times, but not with me. Madison and Dawn are going to ride this thing. If you get enough power going, it'll actually go all the way around. So we'll see. Here they go. I may turn down the volume, get rid of Rod Stewart here in the background. Oh my God, they're gonna make it. Oh my God, they're gonna make it. There's Maddie. She's going to do the astronaut launch thing here. We'll see how it goes. She had to put her hair in a bun to ride it. It's quite scientific to get on here. They were weighing each kid to figure out which side they should sit on. Here they go. Holy moly. I know I would get sick on that thing. Whoa. How was that?
It was slow.
Huh?
It was slow.
Slow. Dinner time. Got some ears of corn and this steak that is marinated. I don't know how, but it is so good. Get it from a place called Curran's in Bell Harbor? Bell Harbor, Queens, New York. I'm not a steak guy. Besides burgers, but man, this stuff is, I don't know what it is, but it is so good. Oh, I can smell it. Look how good that looks. Yum, yum.
Never gonna get to Curran's.
They're all over the place.
Sorry.
Look at that. So good. Hey, good morning all. 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. And look what we get to witness today. An antique car show. Most of these are actually the owner of the campgrounds from what I heard. But he has opened it up to the outside this year. So, sorry, it's steamy out. So, we'll film some of that in a little while. We're going to head to the pool. Enjoy the pool for a while and then festivities start. Doing the parade of the golf carts. Nice golf cart parade. Making some tie-dye t-shirts.
It's pretty with the purple. So now what do you do? I'm gonna get
The antique car show he puts on every year. And actually, from those Ford Woodies all the way down past the Lincoln Continental, the Studebaker, down to the Thunderbird, and including that beautiful Cadillac behind me, are all owned by the owner of WillowTree. And for a first time this year, he's allowed other people to bring in their classic cars, so they're lining up back there. That Cadillac is beautiful. V12. It was about $4,900 back in 1931, which would be right around $81,000 according to the info. $81,000. V12 with a screaming 135 horsepower, which is crazy because today 4-cylinders they get 200 and 300 horsepower out of. But I mean, these things are beautiful. I mean, look at those 3 Woodies. We'll go take a closer look. Got the early 50s Thunderbird here. This is back when they were meant to compete with Corvettes. Power windows. Man. That is beautiful. Studebaker. Studebaker Commodore. Lincoln Continental. Lincoln Continental. And all these beautiful Fords. These are all early 30s. 30, 31, 32. All these motors all look exactly the same. 29 Ford Deluxe Roadster Convertible. 1930 four-door Phaeton Murray body. (1931) Ford 5-window Victoria 2-door Tudor. (1928) Ford 4-door Town Sedan Convertible. (1930) Ford 5-window Deluxe Coupe. They don't make pickup trucks like this anymore. Look at this bad boy. 1930 Roadster pickup. I mean, these things are just in immaculate shape. 3 of these Woodies. I think 2 are 1929 and this one's a 1931. I think those 2 over there are 1929. Starts to rain, you just grab your windows and snap them on. Whoever said the minivan or the Suburban was the first 3-row carrier? Look at these bad boy. 1929, this sucker had 3 rows. That's not the most basic motor. That's why they still last, because there's no emissions, none of that stuff on here. I mean, just a simple combustion engine. Hey, it's about 4 o'clock now, and there has been... There's Maddie. We have been here. When did you and Mom get here?
9:30.
They got here about 9:30 this morning.
Sorry for the poop.
And it has been packed all day. Of course, we walked over and looked at the antique cars and got hot dogs and stuff. They had hot dogs and chips and things, so we did that. And they've had a DJ all day. He just left, and this place is pretty much cleared out. There had been 70, 80 people here, and it is cleared out. Got a few people in the jacuzzi back there. There's a guy, a couple people there. But I mean, every seat in the house was packed. And then of course, both pools and the jacuzzi were also packed. And for whatever reason, at 4:15 here, it has cleared out. But Maddie and I are still here. Dawn just went back not too long ago to take a little break. That's where we're set up underneath that awning there. Good morning. Thought I'd show you this quick rainbow here this morning. Just walked outside to clean up after last night's rain, and it's a nice little rainbow. I don't know if you can see it right there. Even on vacation, work's got to be done. There's Dawn working hard. So it's looking like a beautiful day here at the park, but something is moving in. Now, it is now pouring down with thunder and lightning, but they're doing the watermelon eating contest. So here goes Madison. Let's catch her on film here, see what goes on.
Make sure you kind of keep your pieces in front of you so I know how to count them.
Take your time, Maddie. Don't. I don't know if there's more water out there or more water on the watermelon table back there. Look at her go. So it's Friday evening. We didn't really do too much today. It rained pretty much the whole day. Hello, Madison. It rained off and on, so we couldn't really do much. They kept having to shut down the pool and stuff. So we swam a little bit, and then we just went out to eat, and we're just relaxing. You can see there we've started to pack up for the trip home tomorrow morning. Well, since we are leaving first thing in the morning, we'll go ahead and just end the video here. As always,
Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Wait, did I say like?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
All right. So we will see you in about 2 weeks. We're going to Fry's, Virginia, I think. Camping up there.
What the heck is that?
All right. As always, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.